Good morning, everybody. My name is Paul, and today I'm going to talk about our 2013 Ford Edge. When we bought the vehicle, our rear view camera was operating intermittently. On the Ford Edge, the camera is right here. And after researching on YouTube a little bit, I found that many people, rather than try to diagnose the issue, decided just to change the camera. So I read a little bit, and what I found was there are some connections from the radio that pass nearby the emergency brake. And I'm guessing that what happens is when you press the emergency brake, there's some wire looms down there. I'm going to get a flashlight and I will illuminate the area where these wire looms and wires connectors are. I don't have a very good flashlight, but I'll do the best I can. There's one connection. See, here's all the wires. You can see clearly there's one connection right there. And I'm going to push this brake down so you can see where the other two connections are. But there's one there and one here and this big one here, and then there's two more over here. And they said from pushing down on this e-brake that it causes the wire looms to move around. And I guess from pushing down and up so much manages to either loosen the plug or pull it out completely. I don't know which, but a couple people had suggested in the video to try the connections back by the camera, but when I tried the connections back here, let me open the trunk. Our connections come in right here and right here. And I tried moving those, but it didn't do any good. I looked underneath the car and I didn't see any connections underneath the car that looked like they might have anything to do with it. So with that being said, I left it at where I thought it might be, which was at the e-brake. So before you go and buy a camera, and the cameras are about, I think I found one on eBay for about $149, and you can find them used for 50 bucks, but you don't know if you're buying something new or something that really is bad or not. So what we did was we didn't buy a camera. I just kind of diagnosed it, and I put my hands physically on the wires. I physically checked the plugs. I didn't disconnect them. I just pushed them in a little bit and put the motor in drive, reverse, couple, 3-4 times, and we've never had a problem with it since. My understanding is to tear the trunk apart on one of these things is it's a good amount of work. And if you don't have that mechanical ability and you got to take it to the dealer, you're probably looking at, a $5 or a $6 or a $1,000 bill. Who knows? Anyway, I hope this works for you, and I hope you'll let us know in the notes that we were able to save you some money, and that you'll watch our videos again. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. This probably will suffice for all the Ford vehicles, at least to give it a try before you go and spend that kind of money. But for sure, thanks for letting me be your car guru today, and hit that like button and smash the subscribe if you like what we got, and we'll see you in the next video.